Hello kids, welcome back. So we have started a new chapter which is fraction. So far in that we have learned types of fractions, equivalent fractions, comparing fractions, a fraction in its lowest term, ascending and descending order, and even we have yesterday learned addition of fraction, in which we have learned how to add like fractions, unlike fractions, and mixed fractions. So today we will learn subtraction of fractions. So in this we are going to learn subtraction of unlike and mixed fraction. So now let's move subtracting proper fractions. To subtract unlike fractions, change them to equivalent fractions first. Okay, so to add, also to subtract unlike fractions, we need to convert them into like fractions first. So let's see an example on this. 7 upon 10 minus 2 upon 5. So 7 upon 10 minus 2 into 2 upon 5 into 2. Now see children, these are the different denominators. So that means they are the unlike fractions. We need to convert them into like fractions. Now how we will convert? So here I have done this 7 upon 10 I have kept as it is, and only I have multiplied this 2 upon 5 into 2. Now why I have done this? See, in 5 ka table 10 comes. 5 twos are 10. So for that reason I have multiplied this numerator and denominator by 10. If you don't know by which number to divide it, in that case what you will do, you will divide this bigger number by this smaller number. When you get the remainder 0, you will take that quotient and you will multiply that quotient. You will multiply this fraction by that quotient. So here I have multiplied by 2. So 7 upon 10 minus 2 twos are 4 and 5 twos are 10. So here is 4 upon 10. So 7 minus 4 upon 10. So which gives you 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 upon 10. Say this children, 3 upon 10 is in the lowest term. Now a fraction should always be in the lowest term. Now what is the lowest term? That means this fraction doesn't come in any other table but only comes in one ka table. Such numbers are called a fraction in the lowest term. One more example on this. 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. Now see children, here denominators are different, but neither in 2 ka table 3 comes and in 3 ka table 2 comes. So in such case I'll do cross multiplication. Means for this fraction I'll multiply by 3 and for this fraction I'll multiply by 2. So 1 into 3 upon 2 into 3 minus 1 into 2 upon 3 into 2. So gives you 1 3s are 3 upon 2 3s are 6 minus 1 2s are 2 upon 3 2s are 6. So 3 minus 2 upon 6. So 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 upon 6. So see, here also it is there in the lowest term. Next, subtracting mixed fractions. To subtract mixed numbers, change them to improper fraction first. Now children, we have already learned this in yesterday also, how to add mixed numbers. The same thing, we are going to convert into the improper fraction first. So let's see, 3 5 upon 6 minus 1 3 upon 6. So 3 into 6 plus 5 minus 1 into 6 plus 3. See here, upon 6. These denominators will keep as it is. So 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. 23 upon 6 minus 1 6 are 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 upon 6. So 23 minus 9 upon 6 gives you 14 upon 6. Now see this 14 upon 6 is not there in the lowest term. We need to divide it. In which table it comes? Yes, it comes in 2 ka table. So I'll divide that both the numbers, numerator and denominator, by 2. So 14 divided by 2 upon 6 divided by 2 gives you 7. 2 sevens are 14 and 2 threes are 6. So answer is 7 upon 3. One more example here. 4 2 upon 5 minus 3 1 upon 2. So 4 into 5 plus 2. 4 into 5 plus 2 upon 5 minus 3 into 2 plus 1 upon 2. So 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. 22 upon 5 minus 3 into 2 plus 1. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 upon 2. So here we need to cross multiply. So 22 into 2 upon 5 into 2 minus 7 into 5 upon 2 into 5. So 22 into 2 is 44 upon 10 minus 7 5s are 35. So 35 upon 10. So 44 minus 35 upon 10. 44 minus 35 gives you 9. 9 upon 10. Now this 9 upon 10 is there in the lowest term. How to see? Because 9 comes in 3 ka table and 9 ka table, and 10 comes in 2 ka table, 5 ka table and 10 ka table. Both these numbers, though its fraction doesn't come in any other table, but except they comes in 1 ka table. So such fractions are known as mixed fraction. Such fractions are known as lowest term. One more example on this. Say children, here is a mixed fraction and here is only a whole number. Now how to do that? We'll convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, and here no denominator is there. That means when no denominator is there, we'll take 1 in place of that. So 5 into 3 plus 2 upon 3 minus 3 upon 1. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 upon 3 minus 3 upon 1. So 17 into 1 upon 3 into 1 minus 3 into 3 upon 1 into 3. So 17 ones are 17 upon 3 ones are 3 minus 3 threes are 9. 9 upon 3. So 17 minus 9 upon 3. 17 minus 9 gives you 8 upon 3. So this is already there in the lowest term. So we need not convert into the lowest term. I hope children you have understood this. So do the assignments for practice. Thank you.